In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how from planting
to packing
to distribution across the country. Let's follow the real farm-to-store journey. Ever wondered how strawberries get from California fields to your grocery store?
Welcome to our California strawberry farm. Don't forget to subscribe for more farm tours and food documentaries. Today, I'll show you exactly how strawberries are grown and how they reach your grocery store. Welcome to California's strawberry country. Here, climate, soil, and careful management create millions of berries every season. If you've ever searched how strawberries are grown or how strawberries get to the supermarket, this is your inside look.
Every strawberry crop begins with a carefully prepared field.
Farmers level the soil to manage water efficiently and protect plant roots. Raised beds keep strawberries drier and healthier, improving drainage and fruit quality.
Rows are laid out with precision, sometimes stretching for hundreds of meters.
Drip irrigation lines are laid to deliver water and nutrients directly to each plant's roots.
This system saves water and reduces disease by keeping the leaves and fruit dry.
Plastic mulch covers the beds, controlling weeds, conserving moisture, and protecting the soil. Holes punched into the mulch mark the exact spacing for each young strawberry plant. Transplants arrive from specialized nurseries that focus on healthy, disease-free plants.
These young plants are the result of months of careful propagation.
Bare root plants have their roots exposed, ready to settle into new soil.
A skilled crew moves steadily through the field, transplanting thousands of plants by hand.
Each plant is set at just the right depth, so the crown stays dry and the roots can grow.
Soon, rows of tiny green crowns will spread into a sea of leaves and flowers.
Farm managers check plant health from day one, watching for stress or damage. Right away, drip systems are tested to be sure every row receives water. Water moves quietly beneath the mulch, directly where roots will grow. Over the next weeks, the field transforms from bare beds into a dense canopy.
Now the real challenge begins. Watering, feeding, and protecting millions of delicate plants.
California's mild climate allows strawberries to grow nearly year-round in some regions.
In early stages, sprinklers may be used to help new plants establish and protect them from frost.
Gentle water on leaves helps cool plants during hot, dry days.
As canopies grow, drip irrigation takes over, focusing water at the roots where it's needed most.
This reduces evaporation and keeps fruit drier and cleaner. Nutrients are often injected through the drip system, a precise method called fertigation.
Digital tools help schedule water and fertilizer based on soil sensors and weather predictions.
Soil moisture sensors show exactly how wet or dry the root zone is. Weather stations track temperature, humidity, and wind to guide daily decisions.
Health leaves, strong veins, and clean fruit are signs the plants are thriving.
Flowers appear first, attracting bees and other pollinators that help set fruit.
Each flower becomes a berry, slowly swelling from green to white to red.
Farmers watch the color closely. Strawberries do not ripen much after harvest, so timing is critical.
Border plantings support beneficial insects that help control pests naturally.
Regular scouting helps minimize the need for crop protection sprays.
When needed, carefully chosen, regulated crop protection tools are used responsibly and according to strict guidelines.
Through the season, growers balance water, nutrients, and pest control to keep plants vigorous.
Soon, more and more berries reach full color. Harvest is just around the corner.
Growers sample fruit themselves, checking sweetness and firmness in the field.
Simple tools, like a refractometer, measure sugar levels to gauge ripeness. With the fields loaded with ripe, red fruit, it's time for the most important step: harvest.
Dozens of hands will work together to pick every berry, one by one.
Strawberries are harvested completely by hand.
Experienced pickers know exactly which berries are ready.
They look for berries that are fully red, glossy, and firm.
Picked berries are collected in trays that are quickly emptied into clamshells.
On many farms, strawberries are packed right in the field into the same containers you see in stores.
Each clamshell is filled carefully, focusing on appearance and protecting the fruit from bruises.
Scales ensure every package meets the labeled weight.
Once closed, the clamshell protects berries from damage on their journey.
Filled clamshells are stacked into flats, making them easy to move and cool quickly. Harvest is a coordinated effort, often repeated every few days as new berries ripen.
Crews move quickly but carefully, protecting each berry.
Quality checks start right here in the field.
Harvested flats are loaded onto small field trucks that shuttle them to the packing house.
Speed matters. The sooner strawberries are cooled, the longer they stay fresh.
This is where field heat is removed and packages are prepared for long trips.
Berries are handled quickly and gently to avoid bruising.
From warm fields to chilled rooms, the goal is to lock in freshness. Ideally, strawberries move into cooling within just a few hours of harvest. Inside, powerful fans pull warmth out of the fruit. Let's step inside and see how that works.
This is the heart of post-harvest handling, the packing and cooling facility.
At receiving, each load is logged, tracked, and prepared for cooling. Flats are stacked into pallets that can be quickly cooled as a unit.
Forced air coolers draw cold air through each pallet, pulling out field heat.
Rapid cooling helps maintain flavor, texture, and shelf life.
Sensors monitor fruit temperature to confirm the cooling process is complete. After pre-cooling, berries are held in refrigerated rooms until shipments are assembled.
Each pallet is labeled with variety, field, and harvest date for traceability. Some facilities also run clamshells past inspection crews for a final quality check.
Damaged fruit is removed to protect the rest of the package.
Automated labelers apply PLU codes, barcodes, and origin information.
Labels tell you where your strawberries were grown and help stores manage inventory. Clamshells are then packed into sturdy cartons, ready for stacking. Printed codes help trace each box back to a specific field and harvest date. Case after case stacks into tall pallets that can weigh hundreds of kilograms.
Stretch wrap secures the load so nothing shifts in transit. Forklifts move pallets into refrigerated storage and onto waiting trucks.
Here, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to maintain quality.
Quality teams sample cartons to confirm fruit condition before shipment. They may test sweetness, firmness, and appearance against company standards.
Once everything checks out, pallets are assigned to outgoing trucks.
Refrigerated trailers, or reefers, maintain the cold chain all the way to distribution centers.
Airflow patterns inside the trailer are designed to keep every box cool.
Once sealed, strawberries are on their way to your region. From here, most loads travel to regional distribution centers before reaching stores. Every day, these trucks carry fresh California strawberries across the country. This continuous cold chain keeps berries safe and fresh from farm to grocery store. Next stop, regional distribution centers and grocery warehouses.
Here, pallets are reorganized and sent to individual stores.
At grocery distribution centers, strawberries join other fresh produce headed for stores.
Inspectors confirm temperature, package integrity, and overall freshness as loads arrive.
Checklists and digital records track quality through every step.
Pallets are regrouped for specific stores and routes.
Many deliveries happen early in the day, before stores get busy.
Store teams unload berries straight into cold storage until it's time to stock the shelves. Produce staff perform one last check before berries reach the sales floor.
Then, they're arranged on chilled displays where you'll find them.
Shoppers look for bright color, firm fruit, and clean, dry packages.
These berries may have left a California field just a day or two earlier.
After a long journey, they're ready to enjoy at home.
From coastal fields to city kitchens, every strawberry carries a story of people, science, and care.
And that's how strawberries are grown in California. Cajas, from these fields all the way to your grocery store.
If you enjoyed this farm to a store journey, like the video and subscribe for more behind the scenes food and farming documentaries.
You've seen how careful preparation, precise irrigation, hand harvesting, and cold chain logistics bring
For more videos on how your food is grown and moved, explore our channel.
Tell us in the comments what crop you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching How Strawberries Are Grown in California, Farm to Grocery Store.
Everything the light touched.
Subscribe for more farm tours, how it's grown videos, and AI-generated food documentaries.